1, 2, 3. Alhamdulillah.
All I've had today, legitimately, 2 Krispy Kreme donuts and watermelon. Plates.
Put the bread in.
Did you not bring plates?
No.
How could you not bring plates?
Bro,
we were at cold.
shut
We
up.
were literally at cold.
Danny.
I don't see any browning happening there, bro.
Bro, I see it right here. Casual racism is key.
The secret ingredient is feta cheese.
Feta cheese. Bro, that's Greek.
Bro,
That's Greek.
that's what all the Greeks say.
Astaghfirullah. You know how disappointing Khan's gonna be when he finds out you've had Greek feta cheese? Honestly, he'll actually disown you. He'd be like, you're a fake Turk.
It's Australian.
Australian style feta, but is feta not Greek?
No. Let's start slowly pouring some in, and I'll tell you, bro, holy shit, a little more than that. So since some idiot forgot some plates, we're gonna actually cut.
This is entire your.
We're gonna
thing,
cut
bro.
the sucuk over the pan.
Oh, like that,
that.
bro.
You know?
You could be a bit more specific, bro. Can't I just use my hands? I feel like it's harder with the knife, bro.
I feel like you're autistic and don't know how to use basic tools.
Don't you dare use these defamatory statements on me, bro.
How dare you?
How dare you? Potter.
Fine, drop it in. Now, like I said, I don't know how innately Turkish this is.
It's not.
No, it happens a lot in Turkey. Like my family does it a lot.
Greek feta. I want.
It's not Greek, bro. They want to steal everything from us.
Are we whisking? Like, are we scrambling the eggs? Is that the go?
So no, just crack them in and let them cook for a bit. I reckon in this case we can use 3, 4, whatever. It's your call.
It's not eggs. It's yumurta.
Oh, sorry.
Say it.
Yumurta.
Alright.
Also, if you're a real Turk, you have to crack the egg one-handed.
Oh, I'm not a real Turk. I'm Pakistani. Okay. Do you want a medal? Do you honestly like?
Banana boat.
Front side protection.
Banana boat.
It's 30 plus.
Banana boat.
It lasts for hours and hours and hours.
Yeah, so just lay it flat, like not yet, and just sort of give it like a, like move this half over there, move
So
that
like-
half
like
over
here?
there. Yeah, pretty much like just,
Oh, hold that.
yeah, pretty much that. Yeah, and then pick it up and then move that side like over there. There you go. It's messy, but all right. And now, honestly, we can just kill the heat. So, just dig in, my friend. So I can get a piece of sucuk.
Oh, that's fat.
Need some
Oh,
salt,
no.
but that's probably
We'll
due
do
to
it.
my
We'll do it
taste.
Spaniard style. It's all East, brother.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
gun, brother. That's gun.
And you know, usually with this, for breakfast, you have a spread, second platter, cucumbers cut up, salted, tomatoes cut up, salted, feta cheese, cut up, salted. Nah, that you don't salt.
Bread cut up, salted. Yeah. Chicken salt cut up, salted.
And then you just you suck up all the oil in the feta, and then
Do you do that?
I do.
It's
Yeah, no, it's fucking horrible, but it tastes good.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. Alhamdulillah. We'll leave it there. Chuck
Subscribe.
us a like, chuck us a subscribe, you know. The standard usual. Peace. Cut me. Roll credits, roll credits, roll credits.